I just got this big order from Ipsy, and this is the Ipsy Summer Mystery Glam Bag. $30, supposed to have 5 full-size products in it. I have no idea what it is. I haven't peeked beforehand. I haven't even looked at it while I'm holding it. So we're gonna see what's in it and if it's worth $30 to me. It might be worth $30 to somebody else. See how it goes to me. This is neat. It's kind of wicker-esque. I like the pull tab. I like the green inside. It's a nice size pouch. I love bags. I'm a bag whore. Bags and lipsticks, apparently. But I love bags. And if I don't like them, or if I have too many of them, they go to the dogs. For when we're training the service dogs, we do something called an oops retrieve, where we drop it. We say oops, because that's what you say when you drop something. The dog picks it up and hands it to us. So I can always use bags. And other weird things like old cell phones and cell phone cases and old wallets, even if it's falling apart, like for you, but not for them, it works. Okay, let's see what we got. Now, today is mask day, so hopefully we'll get some nice face masks in there and we can have some fun. Hello Organic, okay. Natural and organic facial sheet mask. We got 1 a day fruits mask for brightening. It includes peach and lime on a eucalyptus sheet. And one on the other side that is hydrating with coconut and rose water on a eucalyptus sheet. So we have brightening and we have hydrating. Oh, and we've got a third one in here too. I'm gonna see if Luke or Richard James want to join us in mask night. Pore refining with Adlai black bean and a eucalyptus sheet. So I've never tried this product before, but since it's mask day today, because, you know, why not? We have to have fun. I've got 3 masks to try. Hopefully that only counts as 1 full-size item. We'll find out. Treluce Beauty, Destininos, Eternal Bliss are these. It's a palette. I know it's a palette. Is it? I was smart this time. I grabbed. They're just readers. Don't I look more intelligent now? Imagine your ideal destination and we'll take you there. This is, oh, it has Mexican blue agave. Snackable palette. Do they mean stackable? But it says snackable. 1 shimmer and 4 matte. Must be an eyeshadow. So we'll see. Come on, open up. It doesn't always want to open. That gets so frustrating. So then I rip it. It's like Christmas morning, right? Just rip it open. Forget about it. Oh, those are pretty. Got the shimmer. There we go. We got the shimmer. We've got the 2 darks and we got 2 mediums. I would wear the pink. I don't know about the orange. I don't do orange much, but we'll see. You know, is that worth, if it's 5 items for $30, is that $6 a piece? Is that worth $6? I mean, heck, that's a nice, easy little travel case. It is cardboard. I started depotting my eyeshadows and such because I had a lot of palettes and it was getting a little annoying because I didn't know what all colors I had. Earth Harbor Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask. Gently resurfaces, soothes, hydrates, refines, and clarifies. Just does a little bit of everything. Ooh, it looks like it's all jellied on the inside. It's kind of neat looking. Bloop, 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 bloop. I caught a slime ball and I put it in here. So I like masks. I do like face masks. So probably keep that one too. That's cute. Il Maquillage Dirty Talk Matte Lip Color. Ooh, and that's a pretty color. And that one, of course, opened right up because I'm probably going to keep it. So, of course, it would open right up. Ooh, yeah. Yep, that's a keeper. So, yay. Was it worth $30? And that's everything in the bag there. So, we got the lipstick, this face mask, these masks, this. Didn't we get something else, too? Or was that it? I think that was it. It was supposed to be 5 items. I'll have to go back and review, but it looks like I got 4 items. And surely they don't count the bag as an item. Is that worth $30? No, I don't think so.